It's time for a bonus video! Guess what? I'm going to offer you some extra credit and also talk to you about the portfolio. So, here we go. Oh, Eddie Van Halen. So you'll notice that I have provided you an example portfolio. If you were to click on this link, you would find this web page. This web page contains a splash page with an explanation of what you will find in this portfolio, right? It doesn't contain all the information that I would like to see from you, but it contains most of it. So, you see what is on this webpage, an explanation of the documents, and sort of where I was going with these documents, right? The additional pieces that I would like you to add to this are how you integrated knowledge with ideas, that is, existing knowledge you had with ideas, and how you learned about different genres, audiences, and purposes for different situations throughout the class. Yeah? So those are the things that I would like you to include on the portfolio. Now, in addition to the welcome page, right, you have different tabs with your different assignments, right? So you would have this assignment, say this has usability report 1 or 2. Then PS3 usability report, Guerrilla Research report, right? Now, it would be best for me if you could do this by embedding these documents in the page itself so that I could see without having to download these things what they look like. Yeah? But if this is the way that you do that, that's also acceptable. Right? Sorry, Eddie. We gotta turn you off now. So, I'm in a bit of a pickle. I need to get 10 of these by Friday. So, I'm offering a letter grade of extra credit on the portfolio if you turn your portfolio in by Friday. Alright? Most of you have done well on the MRAD paper. You're going to get an A or a B. You shouldn't need to revise it in order to get an A or B in the class. As long as you have turned most things in, you're going to get at least a B in the class. I will try to get MRAD grades closed out today so that you can make that decision whether or not you want to proceed without revising the MRAD. But yeah, that's what I wanted to get in contact with you about, is that I need 10 portfolios by Friday, and those of you who complete that, you'll get extra credit and you'll be done with the class. Those of you who don't, that's fine too. I will accept the portfolio until the end of finals week. So it's all on you. Whatever you want to do. I have appreciated having you in class. If you have any questions about the portfolio, please let me know. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You just collect your documents on a web page. Very easy to use a site like WordPress or Wix, right, in order to create that web page. And you just put each of your assignments in a tab. Have your welcome page be the reflection letter that is reflecting on the class, talking about the documents that are present, anything that you did to revise them, and how you integrated knowledge with ideas, how you discuss different genres with audiences and purposes and situations throughout the class. And that's it. So I'm going to end the lecture video. If you have any questions, email me. Woo.